Okay, so we talked before about my less than glorious days in track and field. The fact that there were absolutely no blue ribbons at all belies the reality that I was fast. That was just a very unusual time when the competitors were all somehow faster. Anyway, you may understand my frustrations if you are newly shopping for a home to buy. You've got to clear that higher than usual mortgage rate hurdle and the raised home price hurdle. That one's a biggie. Then you've got a high jump over credit score requirements. Oh, and let's not forget the pole vault to get way up there to an acceptable down payment. That really might make you run fast. But hold on here. When I was getting my real estate license, I flagged some things useful for all of us to know. So now, installment number 5 of my homeschooling series is about alternative programs to help you get the home. First up, My First Texas Home. An important note here, it is for first-time buyers, yes, and for anyone who hasn't owned a home in the last 3 years. It's just that putting all of that in would have made for a really bad program name. Anyway, there are income limits based on county and household size. In Dallas County, for example, you can't make more than that for a household of 1 or 2 people, and not more than that for a household of 3 or more. There are also county-based home price limits. Under this program, in Harris County, for example, you can generally buy a home for up to $481,176. You also must have a credit score of 620 or higher. You can have a higher debt-to-income ratio than some other loan programs will accept, too, and it offers below-market mortgage rates. That's a really big deal with rising rates lately. The program also includes the possibility of assistance in getting extra money for your down payment and your closing costs. For that extra money, you basically take out a zero-interest second loan that you don't have to pay back until you're done with the first loan for the house itself. Now, another option is the Home Sweet Texas Home Loan Program. This also has income limits, and you must have at least a 620 credit score. This option offers down payment assistance that can be in the form of a grant that you don't have to repay, or a forgivable loan that you don't have to repay if you don't sell or refinance within 3 years. Now, again, I say there are income limits to qualify for all of these, but those limits are high enough that many people in Texas don't earn too much to qualify. I have more info on the programs and how to check your eligibility if you click on today's article posted at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook, Twitter, and Threads. Now, if you are lower income and you're handy, or you know people who are, there is another program that we'll get into ahead where you can get a 0% interest loan to build or make repairs. Right on the money.